In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time and date fields into Google Forms. This skill is not only useful, but also adds an essential layer of functionality to your forms, whether you're scheduling events, managing bookings, or gathering any time-sensitive information. So let's dive right into it and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you need to open Google Forms. If you already have a form set up, that's great. Otherwise, feel free to create a new one to follow along. For this example, let's pretend we are creating a booking form. With your form open, start by giving it a relevant title. Enter a title that clearly reflects the purpose of the form. Something like booking form works perfectly. Next, type in the first question you intend to ask. In this example, we're inquiring about the responder's date availability, so you would enter a question like, "What date are you available?" Once you've added your question, you'll notice a small drop-down button to the right of the text box. Click on this drop-down. After clicking on the drop-down, you're going to see a list of options. From these, select Date. This automatically makes the question field into a date picker, allowing respondents to easily select a date from a calendar interface. Now let's move on to collecting time information. Go ahead and click on the plus icon to create another question field. Here, you're going to type in your next question, which would be something like, "What time are you available?" After your question is set, click on the drop-down button again on the right side of the text box. Once again, you'll see a list of options. This time, choose Time. This will change this question field into a time picker, enabling respondents to input a specific time directly. Now that you've added your time and date fields, it's crucial to preview how these fields appear to your respondents. To do that, look for the eye icon at the top of your Google Forms page and click on it. This icon allows you to view the form as someone would see it when they're filling it out. Take a moment to look at the layout and ensure everything is placed correctly and looks appealing. Check that the date and time fields are working as expected and adjust if needed. Finally, if you're satisfied with the setup, consider running a small test by filling out the form yourself. This will help confirm that both functionalities are capturing the necessary information accurately. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated time and date fields into your Google form. Try it out with different scenarios and see how this feature can streamline processes that require time and date inputs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave any questions or comments below.